The second trimester of pregnancy often brings a renewed sense of well being. The worst of the nausea has passed, and your baby isn't big enough to make you too uncomfortable, and thus the second trimester of pregnancy is often the most enjoyable one. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shikha Sardana from Chaitanya Hospital, Chandigarh, and we are here today with your week by week pregnancy newsletter of your most enjoyable trimester, that is the second trimester. This is to keep you informed basically about what to expect for you and your developing baby so that you can prepare yourself and bond with your baby, making the journey even more beautiful. First, let's track your baby's growth. You start your second trimester with an apple-sized baby who can now stretch, suck their thumb, yawn, and make super cute faces. The ears and eyes are now situated in their proper positions, giving your baby a more identifiable appearance. While your baby is continuing to grow, the development that is occurring is very specific. For example, the kidneys are making urine, the shoulders and back become covered with a thin hair called lanugo, and now that you reach 20th week of your pregnancy, congratulations, you have made halfway through pregnancy and the baby is almost a banana sized. And yes, this is the time you are about to perceive your baby's movements for the first time. The baby is preparing for growth spurt over the next several weeks. As your baby swallows amniotic fluid, the digestive tract is continuing to mature. How does the baby look externally? If we talk of skin, the skin is still see-through or translucent, yet reddish and wrinkled. And a thick substance called vernix covers the skin to keep it protected from the exposure to amniotic fluid. In the 6th month further, the parts of brain that are responsible for senses are specializing. Your baby will respond to external stimuli such as sound by increasing their pulse or moving. This is when you may experience your baby's hiccups in jerk-like motions. Additionally, your baby is continuing to swallow amniotic fluid, which is fostering lung development. At the end of 6th month, your baby is about 12 inches long. So now you know how will your baby grow in the second trimester. In fact, tracking your baby's development like this month by month is a great way to bond with your baby. Now let's shift the focus on you, the new mommy to be. Now as you enter the second trimester, hopefully your first trimester symptoms are calming down and your appetite and energy levels are returning. But yet more pregnancy symptoms are on the horizon. Here is what to expect so that you can consider ways to prepare yourself for what's ahead. As you move ahead in the second trimester, your figure is continuing to change. Your uterus expands to make room for the baby, your belly grows. Your breast will also gradually continue to increase in size. And you will also gain weight. By the time you enter second trimester, the average weight gain is around 2 kgs. If you started your pregnancy with a normal weight, then in the second trimester you are expected to gain around 0.4 kgs a week. That makes somewhere around 5 kgs of weight gain in the second trimester. Second trimester is the time when you perceive the fetal movements for the first time, and this generally happens around 20-22 weeks of pregnancy. During this trimester, you might experience physical changes like skin changes. The hormonal changes during pregnancy stimulate an increase in melanin pigment in your skin, and this may cause brown patches on your face, that is melasma. You may notice a dark line down your abdomen, that is linea nigra. On the other end of the spectrum, in some patients, the increase in blood circulation in face may make the face brighter with a nice pregnancy glow. You might also notice some reddish brown, silver or purplish line in the skin along your abdomen, breast, buttocks or thighs. These are stretch marks. You may face some nasal problems. Your body makes more blood and this can cause your mucous membranes to swell and bleed easily, resulting in stuffiness and nosebleeds. Pregnancy can cause your gums to become more sensitive to flossing and brushing, resulting in minor bleeding. So there can be some dental issues during the second trimester. You may observe round ligament pain, which occurs most commonly during the second trimester. This is characterized as a sharp pain in the abdomen area on one or both sides as the round ligament stretches. Some women even report that the pain extends into the groin area. Round ligament pain is considered a normal part of your pregnancy as your body prepares for your growing baby. You may also face leg cramps. Leg cramps are common as pregnancy progresses and they often strike at night. If we talk about your emotional health, yes, it is the most enjoyable phase. So focus on making healthy lifestyle choices that will give your baby the best start. Have right diet that allows proper weight gain, start exercising. We hope that you will find this information useful and you are now ready for your second trimester. If you have any queries, you can ask us. With the wishes for a happy, healthy and safe pregnancy, we want to thank you all for joining us.